Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the layout view for your projects and work items in the Plane project management application. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your account and also to workspace in the Plane project management application. Let me go with this workspace here. Navigate to your project. You may go, for example, with the overview. And you may also go with the work items. So let me go with these work items. You may also switch between the overview and work items and pages here at the top. So guys, here in that overview of work items, you will see, for instance, your to-do list, your created to-do list with each status, backlog, to-do, in progress, and so on and so forth. And if you'd like to change that view, as you can see, currently I'm using that board view with these cards for the given to-do list status. You may simply use these layout view buttons at the top and switch from the current board view to the list view to have your work items listed like that, or to a calendar view or layout just like this, so that you may go through these days, weeks and month and find your work items or tasks. And then there's also the table layout view as well as a timeline. And that's basically it, guys. So that's how you change the layout view for your to-do lists and work items on Plane Project Management. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.